Push hard. Harder. Harder. Come on, baby, harder.
There we go. Shoo.
Okay.
I'm getting out this side.
This side.
You're getting out this side? Okay, I think you have to go, you have to put your butt back first. Doesn't she?
No, she just sits and then...
Sit and just climb out. She's killing me. Hang on, I gotta find my shoe. See? I lost my shoe.
My mom didn't want me to get this phone, but my grandma said, okay. Grandma buys
How do I get out, really? Stand up?
Stand up. You get out the same way you got in.
Well, I don't remember how I got in because I was laughing too hard. Like this?
Okay, now you have the option. You put your foot out on the tire and then cram your butt up, or you can go out the back.
My shoe on.
She's big.
What?
I said, watch my mom get out. She's like,
Just don't jump. You'll hurt yourself.
what?
Okay.
It's 81 degrees.
Well, come help me. You're not a very good friend. Hey, go over there and get that stool. The neighbor's got a stool.
No way. Come on.
You're doing fine. And then just support yourself there.
Okay.
And then put your foot on the tire. Here, I'll help you. Here.
It's 82, Tristan.
Oh, it's not. Hey, what do I keep putting my foot on?
I don't know. You got it.
Quit taping me! Here, when I
Never. What's she doing?
Now, there you go. Now step on the tire.
Videotape my mom getting out of the car. Off her butt.
You can at least take my face so you can see how bad I'm laughing. Now what do I hang on to?
Nothing.
The roll bars. Just hold on to the bars. Yay!
She got out alive.